Just
You can choose what you want. All with crab, we replace shrimp. Monster roll. What else, boss?
this is crazy abimaki.
Yes.
Okay, with the shrimp, right?
Yes, with this one 4 piece and 8 pieces.
Give me 8 pieces.
Okay, 8 pieces. This one, the tempura shrimp with avocado. Tempura maki. The dynamite steak. But it's not good for the kids.
No, this one.
Yumi special.
Yes.
Yumi special. 8 pieces too.
Yes.
Yumi
The one that is hot,
special. Okay, noodles.
give me 3
3 Japanese noodles.
spicy, huh?
Yes, no spicy.
Can you please give me spicy outside?
Yes, no problem. All is dine-in, sir, right?
Yes.
Okay, I
Also,
pass.
you have 7 up?
The drinks is kinsa, lemon, citrus, cola. How many, sir?
And the lemon. Give me one.
1, what else?
That's what you are.
Only this, boss?
Huh?
Only this? Only 1 drinks? Okay, Monster Roll, Pura 8, Yumi Special, and Crazy Ebimaki, and 3 Japanese noodles. Not spicy. That's it, boss?
It comes with chicken and vegetable, right?
Yes. 298, sir. No problem.
Big good, please, little talk.
Yes, thank you. Pagkatapos ko ngang makuha yung order nila boss madam, eto, binanatan ko agad yung mga order. At habang si Pakira naman ay nagawa ng Japanese noodles. All around nga di wow. Eto na nga't una kong niroll ay ang monster roll na may tempura shrimp, tobiko, sesame seed, crab salad, without crab pala to, sorry. And sliced avocado. And then pag after naman yan, ang niroll ko ang tempura maki na may avocado at tempura shrimp. At ang sinunod ko naman ang Yumi Special na may veggie salad at tempura shrimp at na may steam shrimp sa ibabaw. And then ang last ko naman na iniroroll ay Crazy Ebimaki na without crab pa rin dahil ayaw nga nila boss ng may crab. And then ang after nyan ay pinagkakat na rin po natin ng tig 8 pieces dahil yun nga po ay ang order nila boss, 8 pieces ang bawat roll namin. At meron din kaming tig 4 at 5 pieces tulad nitong monster roll ay 5 pieces dahil medyo malaki po siya. And then pinaglalagyan ko lang po ng pare-parehas na may teriyaki sauce. Ang wala lang pong spicy mayo, ito pong tempura maki. At nilagyan ko na rin po ng toppings ng tobiko at ng spring onion at ng tempura flakes. At sabi ko nga kay partner, pagtapos niya magluto ng Japanese noodles na 3 at pwesto niya na sa labas para siya naman na mag-serve nito sa aming customer. All around niya di wow. At ito't pinaglalagyan ko na ng kaik-ikan tong aming mga rolls at lalagyan lang natin ng konting toppings sa ibabaw. Pwede na yan. Yun lang, salamat, love you all.